Welcome to mailbag number 2. It's going to be a short one. I don't have too many things lined up, but we'll see what happens. And I'll get all this out of the way here. Mailbag. And the first thing we have up is a dimmer. 12 to 24 volt. Looks like it says 0.8 amp, but I don't know. Not the directions, but research tells me it's actually 8 amps. Who knew? Let's see, on the website here, there's, let's see, mentions 1224 volts DC, 96 watts, You can read all that if you want to. I'm not going to read it. Yeah, that's how that goes. Let's see. I have one torn apart here. Already. I have probably 10 of these things, maybe more. Got a MOSFET on there, a regulator, a LM358, and the good old 555 in there, which is strange, but well, I guess it works, but not strange. So we got the MOSFET happening there. We got the 7805 happening here. We got the LM358 and the 555, and yeah, that's the PWM controller. It works pretty good. 10K pot. Next up, what did I have planned up here? Oh, let's see, a kit. That's always fun, a kit. This is a blue and red flashing, like cop car kind of lights. They're always fun to play with. Not in the car though. Anyway, I put one together a while ago. It kind of looks like that. Yeah, always fun. Let me turn this guy off here. What else we got going on here? Let's see. We got... yeah, the color red, blue, detonation, flashing light, dual color, DIY, strobe kit. Kit strobe, whatever. And blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Circuit diagram for it. Woohoo, parts list. Of course, they never come with instructions, but it's pretty easy with the board all laid out with what goes in there. Just fire it in and away you go. Yeah, always fun. Kits. Waste a little time doing that. Let's see. Next thing we got. What would it be? Oh, power supply. This guy here, he jammed some power in here, and you got 4 USB ports happening. The power part anyway. You won't get the data, but if you're just trying to power up a Raspberry Pi or something, it should work out quite well. Yeah, let's see what they say about that. 8 to 35 volts, down to 5 volts, 8 amps. Again, we're getting a thing going on the old 8 amp thing here. Here's some information for it. Pause and read if you want. And that's a big ass picture. Yeah, I thought that'd be pretty cool. I actually got it to run a Raspberry Pi, off a bigger transformer, one that can handle a 1.5 amps. So that should be good for that, hopefully. Let's see what happens anyway. So it's alright. Actually, I haven't even tested it yet, so it might not be alright. Never know. Next thing up, this guy here, probably upside down. Now apparently, and I haven't tried this yet, is you can hook it up to an Arduino and get it to pump out information like digits, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and have it count. But by selecting one of these buttons at the bottom, it'll transcode that into its binary or hexadecimal, stuff like that. So that'll be fun to play with. You know, one day I'm gonna actually play with stuff, if I ever get around to it. There's a website there. Australian bucks, $8.95. You get them cheaper elsewhere. What do they call it? TM1638 8-bit digital LED tube with blah blah blah. The usual stuff. I don't think it says too much more in here. It shows a picture of it. There is a GitHub site which has the GitHub examples for it and things to play with it, and I'm going to do that one day. So there's a bunch of stuff to play with there. It can probably explain it way better than I can. Now, next guy up would be this guy here, 8-channel relay, which is IR controlled over here. I fired up, and it's got this here old remote control. Make sure I wire this up right. I don't want to be like Julian and just start blowing shit up for no good reason. There we go. Got power on this guy. This is weird. I ordered this. I didn't get it on a I didn't bid on it or anything. I just ordered it. It's supposed to be coming from China. I get it. Like, it's like 6 or 7 days later. I'm going like, wow, that was quick. Well, for some reason it came from Canada. Well, from, you know, Ontario to here. You know, it only took 6 or 7 days. So I was pretty interested, or not interested, but excited about that. What this one does, it has this IR receiver over here, probably 433, I'm not sure. Not 100% sure, as Clive doesn't say anymore. And anyway, you just press which one you want going here. There's really one, and I'll just keep going up and up and up and up, up and up. Now 0 turns them all off, and 9 turns them all on. I like it. I like it a lot. And if you just press the buttons, they just go off. So that's cool. Anyway, I like that. I think that's pretty cool. I probably could have built one, but it would take me more than 6 or 7 days to put one of these together. So I figured, what the hell. Oh yeah, and it said it didn't come with a battery. Well, it did. I don't know why, but it came with the battery. So I think that's all we got going on here for that, I think. Yeah, I'll just show you the yeah, there's a thing on eBay there, a listing for it. Well, look at that one, $25 shipping. Yeah, that's not happening, not for me anyway. But yeah, that's what you can look up if you need one of those guys. I think it'd be pretty cool to, you know, wire up 12 strings of, you know, the little LEDs or something like that. Or you could even run like 110 volt light bulbs on them, because the contacts are rated for AC and DC. So that should be alright. Got anything else in here? Spam, pictures, 100% brand new. Yeah, look brand new. Okay, I think I have ran through everything I had set aside for this mailbag. So, with that, I will have to say thanks for watching, and hopefully soon, a week or two, maybe sooner, I'll have another one for you.